In this video, I will share how to start a home woodworking business and how anyone can make money woodworking, even with beginner woodworking skills, limited tools, and limited cash. Hi, I'm Joe Barclay. Welcome to our wood shop here on beautiful Loon Lake up in the Adirondacks. Woodworking is a hobby I've enjoyed since I was a kid. It's still one of my favorite pastimes. Recently, my wife Barbara and I decided to take our woodworking and turn it into a side hustle. Now we make money woodworking, and it's a blast. In today's economy, the extra cash sure comes in handy. If you have been thinking about starting a home woodworking business, stick with me. Let me share some ideas to help you get off to a good start, scale your woodworking business up as you grow, and make a profit. First, zero in on the kind of projects you will make. Be realistic about your woodworking skills, tool inventory and workspace, what you really like to build, and especially how much time you can commit to your business. If you spend a little time online, you will see that woodworkers have built profitable businesses with almost every kind of project you can imagine. You need to pick just one or two to get going. We love making coffee tables and end tables, particularly in the arts and crafts style. We also make nice deck furniture. Here in vacation country, there's a big demand for that, rather than the cheap crap made out of pressure-treated lumber. You know, the stuff that should come with tweezers so you can get the splinters out. Next, be smart about buying tools. Do not go out and spend a small fortune equipping your shop just yet. Not long ago, I made a video on the best tools to buy to make money woodworking. You can check it out right here. Probably the toughest part, at least for us, was learning how to find customers and make lots of sales. See, it doesn't matter how many projects you build. If you can't sell them at a profit, you've got to master marketing. You have all kinds of options depending on what you make and where you live. For example, the lake that we live on up here is kind of remote, so we have to do things differently than woodworkers in populated areas might do. Check out everything from consignments to Etsy, Facebook Marketplace, craft shows, and flea markets. And along with that, you have to learn how to price your projects too. To do that, you've got to know your costs and control them also. As your business grows and you scale up, you will have to develop better systems for time and material efficiency. It really doesn't matter how much money you can make on a project if it takes more time than you have. And be sure to put a dollar value on your time. This is a business now. And lastly, keep improving your woodworking knowledge and skills. Even though it has been a hobby for years and it's a business now, it's still a passion. I'm always looking to learn more. So with that in mind, let me share a terrific online training course on how to start a home woodworking business. It can be super beneficial whether you have been in business for a while or you are a beginner woodworker with limited tools just looking to get started right. It will help you decide what woodworking projects to make and how and where to sell them to make the most money. I found the marketing strategies to be the most helpful. We no longer sweat finding customers and making a profit. This course is complete and easy to follow. It's a step-by-step guide to making money woodworking. And it comes with a library of high-demand plans of projects you can build so you never run out of ideas. So to learn more about how to start a profitable woodworking business right from home and to start making money with your woodworking today, check out the website at makemoneyworkingwood.com. Again, that's makemoneyworkingwood.com. Go ahead and check it out. I know you'll like it. Hey, thanks for watching. Let's go make some sawdust.